and heart.
Yeah, they Ratchet Biz, and nigga, we standing on 10 about this shit. And I ain't the regular glizz on the bitch, got buttons on them bitch. When that stick get the shown to get the cutting out this bitch. 556, get the dripping out this stick. 150, that's a dicky fit. Hold on, free my nigga, yeah, he innocent. Hold on, kill the pussy, I just finished it. Cut mud like a guinea pig. Hold on, Millie Rock with that stick on any block. Yo, backstab me, ho. I was just listening to fuck. And we still trapping, nigga got cuts on the clock. Both say the truck lows and get on off the dock. Like how I miss it up, this flow unorthodox. I had to blame it on the walk like Jamie Foxx. Young nigga going shit quick, make it change a lot. Big out the head for sure, I told her don't change the top. Big stick, this bitch hold on no bump stop. Make me send them to the dock. Yeah, we stand on this shit, nigga, know what I'm saying? Yeah, we stand on this shit, nigga, know what I'm saying? Yeah, we stand on this shit, nigga, know what I'm saying? Yeah, we stand on this shit, nigga. Yo, please don't play this shit, nigga, I'm gon' show you. SENSEI2R with this stick, how I throw it. I don't even write this shit, would've thought I was a poet though. Ain't gon' say too much about that, if you know, you know. All these pints up in that bitch, nigga, we just pouring for. Number Ratchet Biz, and nigga, that